Ellis.
In my house, my new brother from another mother.
Very nice to meet you.
Anthony, what a pleasure, sir.
So do you have your Hooke verse with you?
I do indeed. Let's see. Right here on this here Yamaha keyboard.
Why don't we go ahead and start the recording by pressing the button. The phone vibrates, tell you we're recording. And now, instead of using the built-in mic on the phone, it's grabbing it from your ears.
Right. Exactly.
So in real life, if I were to say, snap in your left ear,
you
come around, right?
Yep, stereo.
On the right.
Very good microphones.
Thank you.
The quality of the app is brilliant.
Yes.
And the headphones are brilliant.
We had the mic gain pretty hot there.
Yep.
And I was noticing that we might be clipping a little bit.
Okay, yeah.
So let's listen, see if we we can adjust it accordingly.
Okay. Yeah, little bit hot, but it's cool, and also picks up a little bit of the bottom end,
Okay.
But I like too that it is wireless, but you also, you feel you got a wire here that just kind of, doesn't affect anything, because sometimes with headphones.
Right, and so you feel it's not really getting into the way.
No, I'd love to see how my guitar would sound.
Definitely.
When the chips are down, innocent chasing dreams. Welcome to the world beyond your door. Rainbows and durability. Girl, you're not in Kansas anymore. That's what I'm talking about.
You hear that back and then, yeah. Yeah. Oh, it sounds good. You, it definitely, wow. That's all I can say. You can hear all the nuances of the guitar and stuff. Just sound. It has that. It captures that sound, and it sounds like an acoustic guitar, and it sounds like a person singing.
That was kind of the deal, yeah.
Yeah. So, but well, hey.